Hello guys, welcome to the new video with the Subaru, my project car. What I have done off the screen is I remove all the bumpers, the lights, everything looks like good remove. So the next step is we are going to you looked it.
No.
Idiot. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to remove all the interior. So this and the top roof of the car, and also the doors,
Door panels.
door panels. Yes, I also cleaned it.
Doesn't let it.
I know, but what I have done that I cleaned the chassis, all the axle and that stuff, so I can see where it is
Rusted.
rusted or where it is not rusted, you know. So we are going to record the time lapse, and as you can see, I don't know if I will. It is locked. As you can see here, I don't know if you can see it,
Yeah.
but the whole interior is gone, except for the
Driver seat.
and the door
Dashboard.
panels, dashboard and that stuff.
And this professional
Fuel tank.
fuel tank. Yeah.
Very good.
Very good.
So enjoy the time lapse. Okay guys, as you can see, we pretty much remove everything from the interior except the dash board, or I don't know how this is called because I'm not the English master, you know. Only few things left. All of this stuff I will take to separate garage, so it will be in dry place, in the warm place, so nothing will happen with it in there. So that's it, and I hope so the next video will be removing the chassis and the axles and some welding and stuff, and I hope so it will be soon. I'm very excited. Also, we forgot this. Oh shit. There is, we can video it this time. And I need the little screw.
Screwdriver. Small screwdriver.
The good one.
I got it. Picked up again.
Again. We don't need it. Everything, this type of things will be new, so I don't care if I lose them. Oh, your mother
shit.
is calling.
Probably.
Where are you? Come home.
Okay.
Call me the master of the removing things. Okay, that's the one. And this is the second. I need to unscrew these two screws.
Unscrew the screw.
Screw the screw. Can you
I'm going for screwdriver.
bring me the screwdriver?
Someone is
Very
trying to call me.
yes. Oh.
Ooh. Brake lights.
Ooh, this is beautiful.
Good. Beautiful.
And that's it.
That's it.
So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.